So what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we are going to debunk another make money online method that has been taught to you in the past, that you might have believed and even attempted to make money with. Okay, so the method we are going to discuss today is basically link shorteners. Now I'm going to show you my own results after sending thousands of clicks to two link shortening sites, and I will also show you what people think about these platforms, and also want to tell you the dangers involved with operating with these types of companies. Not dangers like physical harm, I'm talking about jeopardizing your integrity, okay, jeopardizing friendships, and also destroying your current following, however big it may be, whether it be big, whether it be small. Okay, so when these guys post these videos on YouTube, you usually see high earning claims, and you can make this much per hour, such as this video here. Okay, and they don't really tell you everything involved that goes in with link shortening. First of all, you need a really big following, okay, and you cannot make that type of money. Okay, so this is ad focus, my account with ad focus, and basically they say I sent about 2,262 clicks to them, but that is very well understated. They are supposedly the highest earning link shortening site on the web, but that's what all of them say. And I've only made about 72 cents in some more little few more little cents. Okay, but this is what they're saying the CPM is per 1,000 visits. Okay, so I mean, even if I got from the lowest tier countries, okay, I should at least have had about $2 some odd by now. Okay, and most of these links basically come from these clicks basically come from YouTube, from forums, okay, where these are accepted. So I have had well over a few, maybe like 5,000 to 6,000 clicks on these links, but they are not being tracked. That's just one of the problems with these companies. They don't properly track your links. Okay, let's say, as you can see here with exe.io, just scroll down for you. So for July, they said I've only sent them about 7, 5, 3, 8, okay, 9, 10 clicks, which is also untrue. Okay, so these guys are not tracking your clicks properly, and there is actually no way you would know unless you also track your analytics and cross-reference it with theirs, in which case they will basically tell you that yours is incorrect and theirs is correct, because they have their way of tracking clicks. Okay, and another thing is with these people is you can see the reviews here on Trustpilot. Have a good look at these reviews. This is Shrink Me. You only got one review, but basically this could be a paid review. I don't want to go and look at this guy's reviews, okay, but just let's, for this video's sake. Okay, so most of these reviews are basically green, okay, and it's only about one. And if you guys notice, is the thing about pico workers and micro workers is that you can basically legally pay these people 2 cents or 5 cents to go make reviews online for them. Okay, now I want you to look at Shrink Earn. They've got 7 reviews. Okay, now look at the good reviews. Effing good. There's only one review, and it's basically on Shrink Earn, which is basically a paid review. Okay, same with Muhammad Sohail, just one review. All the great reviews are basically fake. Now if you look at ad focus, which is this site over here, okay, 8 bad reviews. Even the customers are coming here to complain about their reviews. You've got ad.fly, which is supposed to be the most legit link shortening site that pays people. Okay, look at the reviews. 85% of it is terrible reviews. ClickFly 9 poor, Linkbucks 4 all of it bad. So guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg with link shorteners. Another thing is, you cannot make this type of money which they advertised you. Some even go as far as saying you can make $40 per hour. If you want to make $40 per hour with link shorteners, you literally need to send over 10 million clicks to that link. People have to stay on and watch the ads as well, okay, which is not gonna happen. Maybe if you are Oprah, but you are not Oprah, I'm not Oprah, it's not gonna happen that way for us. Okay, now another thing with these sites is basically that they send you to these questionable, they send you to questionable sites, okay. Your antivirus will always pop up and all of that. Now just imagine if you are sending people from Facebook who actively follow you in your Facebook group where you share useful information, or you're sending your friends or family from Facebook or from other platform through the link shortener. You are basically gonna break your trust with those people. They will not trust your content anymore, or any links that you share on the internet. You could have shared possibly an affiliate link instead of a link shortener, okay, or a shortened link, okay. And these guys just, for example, most platforms do not allow link shorteners. It's against YouTube's terms of service, okay. Even Facebook and some other platforms block these link shorteners. So where are you gonna paste these link shorteners? You have to go to forums or other blog sites which may accept it, but later they will catch you out and they will ban you guys. And as I said as well, people will dislike you. People will no longer be able to trust what you are, what the content that you are sharing with them. Okay, so guys, that's basically all from me today. That is all from me today. For today, it's just that you guys need to watch out for the stuff for the type of content you consume on YouTube, and from whom you consume the content, because most of these guys they basically throw around these types of lies are all of the bigger channels, and they get all the attention is because the reason they get all the attention is because they are throwing around the shiny objects which shine from afar, but up close it's not what it actually seems. Okay, now the best thing for you to do is just go basically out, start a YouTube channel, start creating your own content, or find a good task site and earn some good money online. From there on, if you want to expand into a different category in the internet of making money online, then you will have the finances to do so. Okay, because going from where you are now to becoming a successful affiliate marketer or a day trader, whatever, you need some kind of funding. Okay, and you need to make that funding some way. Now for you to get started with making money online, you need to follow the proper channels to doing it, and it all comes down to just doing the work properly, okay, and choosing the correct method to do the work. I hope this video has helped you guys. I'm also going to ask that you guys share this video with your friends and your family, okay, and so many more people can find this video, okay, and also some of my other videos where I show you real ways to make money online, not ways that I just picked up from everywhere, anywhere around the internet, and highly overstated to you guys. Okay, thanks for watching. That's all from me from today, and I will see you guys in the next video.